What do the Olympic rings actually represent? Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of the Olympic rings. Let's uncover the meaning and origin of this iconic symbol that unites athletes across the globe. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. The symbol of unity. The Olympic rings consist of 5 interlocking rings, each representing a continent: Oceania, Africa, America, Asia, and Europe. This design not only symbolizes sporting competition but also fosters a spirit of unity among nations. The colors of the rings, blue, black, red, yellow, and green, were chosen not because they correspond directly to the continents, but rather because at least one of these colors appears in the flags of every nation competing in the Olympics. The creator's vision. The mastermind behind this emblem is Baron Pierre de Coubertin, a passionate advocate for the revival of the ancient Olympic Games. He first designed the rings in 1913, although they didn't become an official symbol until the Antwerp Olympic Games in 1920. Coubertin envisioned a symbol that transcended borders, encapsulating the coming together of nations through sport. The meaning behind the colors. Let's break down the significance of each color. Blue represents Oceania, the region surrounded by the vastness of the ocean, emphasizing its unique cultural and geographical identity. Black symbolizes Africa, a continent rich with diversity and history, bringing attention to its athletes who showcase resilience and strength. Red represents the Americas, highlighting both North and South American athletes and their vibrant cultures. Yellow stands for Asia, a continent with an extensive history and a myriad of cultures, showcasing the depth and spirit of its competitors. Green symbolizes Europe, known for its picturesque landscapes, diverse ecosystems, and the significant impact it has had on sports history. The rings in action. When the Olympic rings are displayed together, they create a powerful visual impact. They are often seen on flags, medals, and promotional material, serving as a constant reminder of the Olympic spirit. The design also represents continuity. The rings are intertwined, signifying an eternal bond between nations and athletes. From concept to reality. Initially, Coubertin did not attribute specific meanings to the colors as we understand today. It was over time that people connected these colors to the continents, enhancing their significance. Interestingly, Antarctica is not represented, as it lacks sovereign states and a population competing in the Games. The evolution of the rings. Since their inception, the rings have evolved in terms of how they are used and perceived. From the original Olympic Games in Athens in 1896 to the modern-day spectacle, the rings have been a constant symbol of athletic excellence and competition. They embody the hopes and dreams of countless athletes striving for glory on the world stage. Cultural impact. The Olympic rings have transcended sports. They've cemented their place in popular culture, appearing in art, fashion, and media. This symbol has become synonymous not just with athletic prowess, but with the fight for unity and peace through sport. Conclusion. The Olympic rings stand as a vibrant tapestry woven from the rich histories and cultures of each continent. They remind us that despite our differences, we can unite through passion, competition, and mutual respect. Join us as we continue to explore the nuances and stories behind global symbols like the Olympic rings. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.